Guys, sorry for the I didn't unmute the mic in the last video. So let's see if
Order filled.
we can get this long here, guys. Market wants to continue a little bit higher. We're expecting the break of the ATR, as you can see here. Made the first touch. We got the second touch. No more sellers, guys, in these areas. Remember, I told you about the linear regression. We are above the linear regression, so we can see the market starting to push higher. Like I said before in the past video, sorry, I was the mic was on mute, on mute. So as you can see the breakdown here, you see all the sellers piling up here. They already know that they need to break this ATR. They broke it, then they continued. Look at this correlation dots here. There's all the information that you need, guys. That's all you need. You have the two ATRs. You need to know where the market is, is pointing. So it's this is the 15-minute ATRs. Okay, so that way you can know what you're doing, guys. There's no-brainer. Then just watch the tape, do its job here. This can be a quick trade, guys. Oh, we see an imbalance short here, minus 800 contracts, minus 1,000 contracts. Nasdaq is not pushing up. Okay, there we go, guys. There we go. There we go. Trap traders here.
Target long signal and
Okay, there we
Q.
go. There's the buyers in the tape.
Long signal and
Okay,
Q.
free trade now.
Target filled.
All three targets hit, guys.
Long signal and
Excellent
Q.
trade. What did I know? Because we are below
Long
the
signal and
linear
Q.
regression. Like I said, you see the tape here. We have 16 contracts, 16 prints in the same second. That's a lot of volume, guys. All this is puking from the shorts. They cannot hold the short anymore. And we see high frequency trading triangle here. And I see the imbalances. Remember, it was minus 1,000. Buyers took all the other half, and just the trap traders here short, and they just got trapped in this long, and they need to puke. If they shorted here, they got stopped out. So that's how the market works. This people that loses and people that win, but it's okay. It's okay to lose, guys. This is not
Long signal and Q.
the market is not ours, so we need just to get a couple of trades and try to win more than we lose. Okay, so don't expect home runs. Okay, because market is volatility is picking up. Next week is gonna be more volatile, so be aware of that, guys. Be careful. Trade on barrier, and when you see the market is trending down, when you see the 15-minute chart going down, the two ATRs is a 15-minute candle, so that way you won't get trapped and be part of give your money to other people. So that hurts. You saw all these buyers here, then now they're reversing the market. You see what I tell you, guys? Home runs. There's no such thing as that. It's pure luck. Just get your money, and you can do many entries during the day. Like I do, and just catch some money, and you can win 1K, 2K, and $100, $200. It's not difficult to do it, guys. It's just perseverance, and don't have bad habits. You need to remove your bad habits of going at market. Always use limit orders, guys. Don't use market orders. Market orders are not a good idea. Okay, so that way you can improve your trading and focus on the tape, because the tape is everything. Okay, so just wanted to make that statement that I was on mute. I couldn't explain what happened here. So the signals are very clear, guys. Okay, so you can make money with this system day in and day out. You see how many times I this video is almost 5 minutes long, but I've been talking. The trade took less than 2 minutes to trade. So don't give excuses that you cannot trade because you don't have money. You can trade even at lunch. Okay, so there's no buts. if you want to go, and look for your financial freedom, you need to train yourself, invest in yourself, invest in a good software, guys. Invest in a good software, something that can predict and can help you, you know make the heavy lifting for you. Stop guessing and say, nah, I don't want to spend money, in the long run, when you lose in the market, you give more than the software costs. So it's something that you need to take into account, and don't be, naive, thinking that you can beat the market without any software that can help you. You need software, guys. Everything is
Short
software
signal and
driven
queue.
now. So you see, everything is algo driven. So it's easy to get fooled. Okay. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.
Short signal and queue.